I feel like everybody needs a BANSHEE trike for when they're having a bad day. Just hop on one of these. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I've got some exciting news for you guys. So we're making tons of progress on this BANSHEE trike. We now have an Electron carburetor. Made huge progress over the last video. Now, guys, it did take us a little while to get this thing dialed, so I'm not gonna do a whole lot of talking. I'm gonna get ready to ride in this bad boy. I'm gonna show you guys a first-person view of how absolutely freaking fast this thing is. I'm speechless after riding it. So at the end of the video, guys, we're gonna weigh this. I'm gonna show you guys how much of a weight reduction this thing took over a normal BANSHEE. Let's get into it. Wild.
Certified ripper?
Yeah. Yep. This, I don't know, man. It's wild. Still got to set the pressure. It was pulling a little bit with the tires.
See
One's a
that?
little bigger than the other, but man. So Electron carb's where it's at for the 2-in-1.
Electron is?
Electron's where it's at.
No jetting required?
We're on like what, third intake design?
Third intake design?
Back to centered. We got to do another intake too, but we're finally getting somewhere with it. But definitely the Electron carb made the biggest difference. This thing is nuts. Drew, you want to try it?
Sure.
I don't think I tried, true.
Give you my helmet here. Wild, right?
It's so fast.
It's just right.
Yeah.
I feel like everybody needs a BANSHEE trike for when they're having a bad day. Just hop on one of these.
That's insane.
Yeah. It's always cars. We're trying to watch out for the cars here.
I liked it.
Yeah, everybody likes it, hopefully. Yep. What a freaking monster. I think the biggest question we've had is, after re-angling the pipes and everything, they were wondering if it was still going to make power. And
Definitely makes power still.
And again, we did not change any of the volume or shape. We just rotated where the welds were. I'm gonna see we got lucky. Lucky and creative as always. So we just have a outerwear over the intake on the carb. This is like the third, I think, intake setup we've been testing, but it's not really an intake setup, but the carb's happy. That's what matters. All right, well, I'm gonna put the chest cam on and show you guys what this thing actually looks like. Let's rip this thing and see what it's got. I'll wait for the cars to clear. Yeah, I love it. It's too much fun.
Gotta build another one now?
We're gonna build another one. This one's heading to Florida. Fuck, man. This is wild. That motor really likes that carb.
Yeah.
It's a little doggy right now down low because there's obviously not the intake tube on it, but
yeah,
we're gonna obviously fix that. But, man. Everybody's been asking how much this thing weighs. 340?
340.
Well, I don't got the shrouds on, so damn, we got to start over.
Add a pound. Just add a pound to it.
Just add a pound.
Like 341, 2, 3-ish.
So 340.
It's 340-ish.
Call it close enough. Full tank of gas. Yeah, it's a rocket, man. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. We're gonna be doing a pre-order on this custom chassis right here. So as you guys know, in this bike right here, we did convert a YZ250 frame to basically take a Banshee motor. Now we have fixtured this whole deal. We're gonna be doing this whole chassis completely one-off, frame up. It doesn't make sense to cut up YZs every time we want to build a Banshee trike. So this guy right here is gonna be available in mass production. And again, we're gonna be doing a pre-order. Head over to bbctrikes.com. You guys can send me an email, bbctrikes@gmail.com, if you're interested in kits like this. This is probably one of the most exciting machines I've ever built and ridden. I'm beyond happy with it. I can't wait for one of you guys to get one. I can't wait for the owner of this bike to actually get this. This is actually going to be shipped off to Florida. I'm just pumped to see the internet actually sharing videos of all the guys ripping these. But anyway, guys, I will see you in the next video. In the next video, we're gonna get this thing completely buttoned up and do a final walkthrough. I'm gonna show you all the close-up shots of everything on this again. So see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.